Are you trying to crawl? Are you trying to scoot over to the doggy? What are you doing, bud? Grady. Abby, what are you doing?
Are you ready, kids? Aye, Captain. I can hear you.
Oh my goodness, you are working so hard. Look at you. Grady, you are working so hard. Look at that little tushy. Get that doggy. Oh, you're getting frustrated. That arm's stuck. Abby, it's the Cookie Monster song. You tell him, bud. Look at Grady's little tushy. She's trying to scoop. Oh, he got the doggy. Good job, buddy. You got to him. Good work.
Bye-bye. It's learning time.
C is for cookie.
Let's sing and play it. It's learning time.